Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited to share with you guys the latest VANA box from Stylevana. So you guys will remember a couple of months ago I shared with you guys another box. This time around they have released another 3 boxes. So one that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is the Earth Loving box set, and the other 2, if anybody is interested, remember everything will be linked in the info bar below, is the Hydration Hero Kit. The other one is the SPF All-Star Team. So the one that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is basically based around nourishment for the skin, hydrating the skin, calming and soothing the skin, because you guys, not going to lie, look, I'm all tropical with my fabulous tan and everything, but my skin was quite badly damaged when I was on holiday in the Dominican Republic. I came out in spots, which I never do because I had a reaction to some mangoes, mosquito bites, high heat. A lot of that will obviously be self-inflicted because I wanted a tan. My skin is very much in need of a lot of love and nourishment, and I'm so glad that this box set came out because I have been able to use it ever since I came back to make my skin look fabulous and great and smooth and soft as it was before I left. So this box is actually released today on the 31st of August. Everything is linked in the info bar below. Don't forget that I have got a discount code for you guys, and the breakdown is also below. Now, if you were to purchase these items individually, it would obviously cost more. There's better value for money in terms of buying the entire set together. Each box has been created to meet your skincare needs in terms of Korean and Asian beauty. Yes, I am a Stylevana affiliate, as I've mentioned to you guys many times. I work with them almost every month, and I'm always fully transparent in the products that I use and my experiences with them. So anyway, let's get back to my set, which is the Earth Loving Beauty set. As you guys can see, it contains everything that you would need in terms of a full skincare routine. We've got a cleanser, we've got a toner stroke essence, we've got a moisturizer, we've got an eye cream, we've got a night sleeping mask, and we've got a night sleeping mask for the lips as well. So it's basically an entire full skincare routine, obviously focused more on the night, because I'm not going to really obviously tell you guys to use a night mask in the day or a lip sleeping mask obviously for the daytime. So they're mainly for the nighttime, but bear in mind the cleanser, the toner and the moisturizer can also be used in the daytime. But in today's video, the way that I'm going to be showcasing it for you guys is as if I was going to sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you've got any comments or questions about any of these products, feel free to ask me below. I hope you guys are wonderful and great, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
So the first product we've obviously got is a cleanser. This is the Hamish Matcha Biome Amino Acne Cleansing Foam. And as you can see, it comes out in such a satisfying way. Now, despite the fact that it looks quite thick, it's actually a very mild cleanser. It's got a very mild foam. I rub my hands together first before I add water, and then it foams everything up. This is a very mild facial cleanser, and it's targeted specifically towards people that have got acne prone skin. So that's great for me at the moment because, like I said, I have got a couple of spots on my face, especially one near my eye where my glasses sit, because I've been wearing glasses quite a lot recently. This contains antioxidants and amino acids, and it melts away impurities and sebum and prevents further breakouts. And again, like I said, it's great for people that have got acne prone skin. So just make sure you wash your face properly for at least 60 seconds before you rinse it off, and it leaves your skin lovely and soft and smooth. Next up, we've got the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner, the first essence. I've shown you guys the original toner in the past. This is the newer version, and it's much more like runny than the previous one, despite the fact that it's an essence. Now, this is obviously completely up to you, but I've chosen to apply it to various different types of cotton pads so that I can let it sit and rest on my face, really nourish my skin. As this contains black rice extracts, which is known for restoring elasticity to the skin, it also contains something I can't pronounce, but it's shoot bark extracts, which have got anti-inflammatory properties for brightening the skin and for nourishing the skin and giving you much more clearer skin. So the areas that I've got problems in at the moment, I'm just applying these cotton pads drenched in this toner stroke essence so that I can really maximize the amount amount of use out of it basically. The fact that it's got black rice means that it's very, very nourishing and beneficial to the skin. So I left it on for about 10 minutes before I slowly removed it. As you can see, it's very, very shiny on my face because I've obviously applied quite a lot of the product. So what I then did was the bits that weren't used on the sides of the other sides of the cotton pads, I basically just used it to run it all over my face. Now a normal amount wouldn't obviously give you this amount of shine because obviously I've soaked those cotton pads in the product, but generally this absorbs into the skin very, very fast and it doesn't feel sticky or irritating. There's no fragrance or anything like that, and it's great for sensitive skin. Once that's absorbed into the skin, obviously we're going to use a moisturizer. This is the Make Prem Safe Me Relief Moisture Cream 12. It's called 12 because it contains only 12 ingredients. It's got very lightly whipped kind of texture, so you just apply the normal amount to your face. It's a hypoallergenic cream, so it's great for people that have got irritated and sensitized skin. It's also got a pH balance of 5.5, just like the cleanser at the beginning of the video, and it contains things like squalene, bergamot fruit oil, sage oil and raspberry extract. It's got a very lovely, easy to absorb kind of texture, great to use in the daytime as well as the nighttime. It's not sticky, heavy or anything like that, and leaves your skin feeling moisturized, nourished and glowy. The Perito Centella Unscented Eye Cream is the next thing that I'm going to be using. Its first and main ingredient is 47% of Centella Asiatica extract, known for soothing and calming the skin. It also contains 4 types of peptides, and this specifically is a very lightweight cream which is there to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, containing panthenol as well as ceramides, like I already said, to moisturize and plump the skin around the eyes. So we've got a sleeping mask in this video, and this is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. Yuzu contains powerful antioxidants in the form of vitamin C to protect the skin from daily stresses, and this has got a very jelly kind of texture, like you can see, and it works overnight on your skin to soothe it, to support a better barrier function. It also contains niacinamide, which is there to minimize the looks of pores and improve uneven skin tone and texture, as well as retinol for those of you that have got anti-aging or want to obviously get more into anti-aging. And it's almost like a very lightweight, refreshing moisturizer, and when I wake up in the morning my skin is soft, smooth and supple. And last but not least, we have this very luxurious and fairly thick Carenel Berry Lip Night Mask. So this is a lip sleeping mask which exfoliates and moisturizes your lips overnight, leaving them very soft and plump. As you can see by the texture, you can tell that it's fairly thick, but when I wake up in the morning, my lips are lovely, soft and smooth, ready for me to apply lipstick. So that's it for my full skincare routine using the new VANA Box Earth skincare set. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all soon.